हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक इन टुडेज वीडियो। और आज की वीडियो ना कोई प्लान नहीं था बनाने का, बट आई थिंक आई शुड हैव मेड इट। एंड यू नो दिस प्रॉब्लम गाइस, लिटरली दिस प्रॉब्लम टुडे, it was today's Codeforces Round 1640 div2 problem. Okay, cycle merging. Oh sorry, it was C problem, right? And this is the C problem. I'll open it and I hope you have already watched the problem statement. You have already read the problem statement and we'll solve it. This is, by the way, an extension which I use to make it black. You can do like this, but I prefer this. In the problem tag, guys, literally, you know what they have mentioned? Graphs. It's a graph problem. Like literally, why this code forces do things like that? You know, in some of the code forces problem, it is very easy, but they just make you fear. So this is the problem. You are given n non-negative integers, a1 to an, arranged on a ring. So it's a ring. Okay, you need to ai and ai plus 1 are adjacent. Okay, and you need to perform the following operations exactly n minus 1 times. Okay, choose any pair of adjacent element on the ring, let their value be x and y, and merge them into a single element of value max xy co- with cost of max of x comma y. Okay, so 1 1 comma 3 comma 2, why 1 comma. Okay, so let's just start the problem. I hope you have already read the problem. You can pause the video, read the problem. Okay, I'll go into the explanation now. So we'll take this test case first. Okay, yeah, wait a sec. Wait, yeah, with the pencil I haven't used this. Yeah, so we are already given this thing. Okay, we are given 4 and we have 1 comma 1 comma 3, 1 comma 1 comma 3 comma 2 in the array, right? Now we have this, we have this, we have this, we have this. So in the question, the problem basically says that we have to get the maximum of these two guys, of the adjacent guys, and they are in circular. So these two guys are connected to each other. Okay, so these are forming a ring, like 1, then 3, and then 2. Right? Now what they have said, we have to take the maximum of the adjacents and we have to finally return the answer, the minimum of those maximum. Basically what I'm saying is, we'll take maximum of these two guys, it will be 1, then 3, then 2. Right? So what is the cost right now? We have cost plus equals to 1, because the maximum of 1 comma 1 is 1. Okay, so this was step 1. Now in step 2, what I'll do, we have to ensure that we have to give the minimum total cost, right? So 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 now, if we have to keep in mind that we have to make the minimum total cost. So I won't take these two guys maximum or these two guys maximum. It's a circle, so these two are connected, so I'll take these two guys maximum, which will be 2. So in cost it will be plus equals to, it's 1 plus 2. Okay, now what we are left, 2 comma 3. Now what is the maximum of 2 comma 3? It's 3. So we'll add in our cost, and what will be our answer? 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, which is equals to 6. Now same for the other test case too. For this also, 1 comma, you can solve it yourself. Just pause the video and you can solve it yourself. But I will how will we solve this? Like, how will we code this thing? First of all, we know how to iterate in a circular array just by using modulo operator, right? So what I will do is, basically we have to keep in mind that we only use the minimum time. We don't want maximum to come again and again. We will choose our pair in such a way. For example, I'll just copy this. Now Now I will keep in mind that first I will take these guys cost, which is 1. Then it will be 1 4 1 1 4 5 1 4 1. Now I will take these two guys maximum. It will be 1. So it will be now 1 4 5 1 4. Now I will take these two guys maximum. I won't take the maximum. I won't include the maximum number of the array. My task is to not include the maximum number of the array because I have to return minimum. But the thing is we have to take the maximum and then it will be merged. So my point is that we take this guy minimum number of times. And how will we take it minimum number of times? If we don't include it, if most of the times we just exclude it, I don't want you, right? Basically now what will happen here is the maximum one of 4 is 4. Then it will be 4 5 1 4. Then I will take 4 4 maximum, which will be 4. Okay, now it will be 4 5 1. Now I will take 4 1. It will be 4. Okay, now I will take at last 5 because it will be 4 and 5. So it is 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 4 14 and 19. Right? Got the intuition? Basically we are not including this guy. So how will we solve this? First of all, I'll write the code and explaining. Guys, sorry for my webcam. Actually, my laptop's camera's driver is not working. I don't know what is happening. I will buy a webcam very soon. Now, right now, I will take the input and I will take a list. Input dot split. Okay. Now, what I'll do is I'll make a empty array to store uh, all those numbers which are going to be added up. Basically, I will store the cost, right? For I, and also I will, yeah, this for I in range n and n, yeah. Now what I'll do is array dot append a of I, oh sorry, array L of I comma L of I plus 1. Right now this will we will get an index here, right? Here, right? And it's a circular array. We want to check last and then again first, right? So what we'll do is to make it a circular array, like make it work like that, we'll just use modulo, right? So how will we do that is this thing and this modulo n, right? Okay. Now we will append the and we will append the maximum. Wait a minute. Maximum of these guys. That's what the question said, right? Problem said. Sorry. Yeah. Now we will get our array and also uh, we will take the answer equals to sum of array and print answer minus max of array. Let's see. I hope it works. Yes, guys, it worked. So basically, you know what happened here? I guess it is pretty much clear. I mean, I don't have to explain it, but I'll still explain you guys. Uh, if you are thinking why did we subtracted this thing? Why we subtracted this max? So I've already taken a test case here. For example, we have this thing. If we have in our array 1 comma 1 comma 1000. Okay, so what we'll do is we have to make the minimum total cost. Okay, Now I will take, so for that, my task is to not to include this guy. No, I would include this guy only once, because the total cost will go high. I don't want to include this. So what I'll do is I'll take these guys minimum, oh sorry, maximum, add it into cost. Then it will be, what would this become is 1 and 1000. Yeah, because that already got some merged into one, right? Now I will do is I will take these guys maximum, add it into the cost. It will be now 1000, 1000 and 1000. Now the maximum is 1000. Okay, now we will pick this 1000 and we'll add. This is how we will get the minimum total cost, and our answer would be 1002. Okay, I hope this problem is very clear, very much clear to you. And it was, I won't say it was easy. It was a tricky problem, and but it was a very good problem. Let's first submit it. Let's just see. I mean, I'm talking so much, but what if it won't get submit? If it get failed on any test case or a minus? But let's see if that happen. We'll see that too. Yes. So yeah, it's minimum test 6, 7. Probably it will pass. Hmm. I hope the problem is very much clear to you guys. I mean, this is the code. I write code in Python right now, in Python 3. And if there is any doubt in any of the steps, you can just type it in the comment. I will reply to you. So yeah, it got accepted. Just remember this thing. Why we subtracted the maximum, this thing. And one more thing, uh, I'll explain you here. Do you know, we want, if there are four elements, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, if there is 1, 2, 3 and 4 elements, so in our final answer, the cost, the final cost which will be which is our answer, which we are going to I mean print. uh, the thing is that in the given array there are four elements, okay, but in the final answer, the sum of the minimum cost will have number of elements equals to 3. That is the main catch, because there will be n minus 1 elements which will be calculated, not n elements. Here we don't have to take 4, because this one will submerge, this one will submerge, and this one and 1000 will submerge, so we'll have 3 elements. That's why first, here I made an array. Let me print the array. Okay, I made the array. Now in array there are four elements. 1, 2, 3, 4. But what we need is, we need only 3 elements in our array, right? So that's why we just subtracted the maximum, because we don't want that. I mean, we want the minimum answer, right? So we would subtract the maximum to get the minimum answer. Right, I hope I am very much clear now, and this is a very good question. I hope you like it. And guys, please do like the video, and if you have any doubt, type it in the comments. Thank you so much.